Welcome back to Numberland. Look at this group of bunnies. They're all hopping together. I wonder where they're going. Look, a few bunnies left the group. How many bunnies are there now? Hey friends! Today we're going to practice subtraction, which means we will be taking numbers away to find out how many are left. And we're going to use Backward Bunny and her friends to help us. Our first job is to find out how many bunnies are left in the group after a few bunnies have hopped away. Just like addition, there are many ways we can solve this subtraction problem. And the first way is to use a picture. Let me show you what I mean. Here we are back in Numberland with the bunnies. First, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunnies hopping together. Then 1, 2, 3 bunnies hopped away. If we want to find out how many bunnies are left, we can use the picture to count the bunnies that are still there. There are 1, 2 bunnies left in Numberland. We can say there are 2 bunnies left. That's amazing! We can use our counting skills and the picture to help us subtract or take away. That's not the only way we can subtract numbers. Just like we can look at a picture, we can also draw our own picture. Let's try a new example. First, there were 6 bunnies hopping along Numberland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3 bunnies hopped away. To show that 3 of the bunnies left, we need to cross out 3 of our circles. 1, 2, 3. Now how many bunnies are left? There are 1, 2, 3 bunnies left in Numberland. Great job! In math, we draw quick pictures to solve problems. We can use shapes, lines, or even small dots to represent objects. But remember, using pictures isn't the only way to solve subtraction problems. Another way we can subtract numbers is to use counters like snap cubes, 2 color counters, or bees. Let me show you how. There were 8 bunnies hopping along in Numberland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 3 bunnies hopped away. That means we need to take away 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. How many bunnies or counters are left? Great! There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunnies left. I have another way I can subtract numbers. What do you think it is? I'll give you a clue. I can use my fingers. If you're able to, use your fingers to help me solve the next subtraction problem. There were 6 bunnies in Numberland. So we need to put up 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4 bunnies hopped away. Okay, now we need to put down 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bunnies are left? Now we count all of our fingers that are still up. 1, 2. There are 2 bunnies left. Great job! Now we have 4 ways we can solve addition and subtraction problems. We can use a picture, draw our own picture, use an object like counters, or count using our fingers. Great job practicing subtraction today. I can't wait to learn more from Backward Bunny. Remember, in math, we can solve any problem together. You can count on it. See you next time. Say see you next time. See you next time.
Hey, hey.